This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, smoke detector, spare tire kit, oven, water heater, leveling jacks, skylight, TV, refrigerator, microwave, Slideout, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.